Cleaning out your medicine cabinet is about more than having a tidy bathroom. In an age of opioid addiction, it can also prevent leftover medications from getting into the wrong hands. According to the 2016 U.S. National Survey on Drug Use and Health, 53% prescription opioid abuse users were given, bought, or took medication from a friend or relative. Consider relocating your medicine or locking them away in a cabinet or drawer. Never flush or throw away old prescriptions. Visit the county's website for guidelines on proper disposal of prescription medications to protect your community and the environment. Isn't it time you cleaned out your medicine cabinet? If you know someone who has a problem with substance abuse, let them know help is available, and that leads to hope. Contact the Fairfax Falls Church Community Services Board 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 703-502-7000, TTY 711.